Welcome to this meditation designed to calm the overactive mind. In a world full of distractions, our minds can often feel busy and overwhelmed. This practice will help you create space and stillness, allowing you to release the constant chatter and find peace in the present moment. Take a deep breath and let go of any tension. And whenever you're ready, let's begin. Find a position that allows you to relax and feel supported. Close your eyes and begin to take slow, deep breaths. With every inhale, fill your body with fresh, calming energy. And with every exhale, let go of any tension or distractions. Now gently bring your awareness to your body and feel the weight of your body grounding you into the earth beneath you. Notice any areas of tension, and with each breath, allow them to soften. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your legs, and your face. Release all the tightness you may be holding. Now let's turn our attention to the mind. It may be busy, racing with the thoughts and worries, and that's okay. You are not your thoughts. They are simply passing clouds in the sky of your awareness. With each breath, imagine you are gently breathing away any chaotic or scattered thoughts. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, picture your thoughts dissolving into the air, lightening your mental space. Allow your mind to expand. Notice the space between your thoughts. With every exhale, you create more room for stillness. You don't need to control the thoughts, but simply allow them to float by like leaves drifting down a stream. Your only job is to observe without attachment. As you continue to breathe, Allow your focus to narrow gently. Imagine the overactive chatter of the mind slowing down, becoming softer, more distant, like the sound of a distant conversation. You're moving deeper into a place of quiet stillness where the mind is calm and clear. With each inhale, feel the quietness now. With each exhale, feel your mind becoming more spacious and peaceful. The thoughts may still come, but you are no longer swept away by them. You are simply a peaceful observer. Let this quietness grow further. Take a few moments here to fully experience this calmness, allowing yourself to fully relax into this state of stillness. Now, as we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded and present. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and clarity within you, knowing that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need.